thought she was talking to me. I do got some stuff in here. Sorry, Elizabeth. But actually it's gonna make it stay stable. So that's good. Door, okay. Apartment. 25 minutes. Oh, I got put this in. Okay, bet. Wait, I wanted to see something. No. Alright, bet. I have to deal with that later. But let's go. Bro, I forgot my thing. Well, actually, I couldn't even get it because I pressed my dog out. It's my dog out. Oh, they pit bulls too. Only in Fort Lauderdale. But yeah, so basically what I'm about to do is I'm gonna have to just, excuse me bro, excuse me. Yeah, 22 minutes, okay. That's not bad on an e-bike. Oh freak, I should turn. That's the only thing about riding in Fort Lauderdale. They houses be on the road, so they bump out a lot. Probably cheaper too, obviously, to buy. When houses on the road, I feel like, I don't know. Hey guys, doing my first basically my first DoorDash. I don't know what the heck wrong with her, bro. I didn't understand what she said. I don't understand what she said, bro. Sound like she was mad at me for some reason. I ain't do nothing to her. Bro, people in Florida is crazy, bro. I'm just saying, like, my first. Alright, so yeah, but back to what I was saying is going to do my first DoorDash. Back doing DoorDash. So let's see what's popping in Fort Lauderdale. Gotta go to Panda Express. So I'll see you guys there. At 24, I think. I don't know which one, but we have to see real quick. Oh, please just didn't spill or nothing like that. Oh my lord. Okay, good. Alright, it's straight. Alright. And just carry it. See, it says, Lord, you can tell I didn't do this in a while. Exit out. Apartment B. How do I tell? Suit B. C. Okay, so C. Oh, I think these are the back doors. Is this the back? Oh lordy. A and B. Okay. Done with that one. Upload. Complete delivery. I'm in a hot spot too. That's good. One delivery done. Alright guys. This pretty nice. But this delivery don't tell me how much I'm getting from this delivery. It just basically say like $14 an hour or something like that. So could be $2 from this, cause I am going only 12 minutes. But then again, Fort Lauderdale, like a lot of people in Fort Lauderdale, one thing I can say about them, they like the tip. So could be more, but we'll see. Still riding. Fort Lauderdale have a lot of freaking like buildings. I mean not buildings, I mean building and stuff. Bro, just imagine coming here at nighttime. But it's probably feel good just living by them. Crazy. Oh shoot. Bro, I ain't seen a squirrel in a long time. See, bro, I gotta give me a new iPhone. I already have an iPhone. I have an iPhone 15, but I be using my 12 still because it have a lot of my information on it, bro. Oh, I'm gonna put a new battery inside my 12. I'm gonna have to just take it to a place so they can just open it up and put a new battery. Ain't on the way. By the way, I got the 12 for free too, so. Okay, so it's a building I gotta go into. And I think it's 500. Yep. Okay, let's get this food out. Bro, I swear. I hope this did not fall over. Oh, nope. Stay safe. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Okay, let me do my bike. Lock it up. Make sure the